Welcome to Code Rangers. Today I'm going to tell you how to use Canva. For using a Canva, if you are using a Mac or any Windows or something like that, if you're using a Windows, you can simply download from a Chrome. That go on a Chrome, type download Canva, and from here you can download by clicking here. You can download it for Canva. For using Mac or some for iOS user, you can go to the App Store. You can download it in a phone also, in Android or in a iPhone also. Simply type here Canva, and you can download it from here. It is of 180 MB. After downloading it, open it. You will get to this page. From Canva you can design many things, like for example, if you want to design some doc pages, you can design some whiteboards, you can design some presentations, social media reels, videos, and YouTube videos for website, anything which you want to design. If you want to edit something in video, if you want to edit something in some pages like presentation, something like that, you can edit from here. Like for example, if you want to make some PPT, something like that, you can simply click on the presentation. And if you want to make presentation of 16 by 9 ratio, for mobile, for 4 ratio 3 brainstorm presentation, some gaming presentation, something like that, you can simply take it from here. And these are the template for presentation. You can simply take templates from here. Like for example, if you want to make some graph, something like that, you can also go on docs. From docs you can take, for if you want to design docs. I will show you what I have designed, some recent things. Like in a recent design, I have designed this presentation. Look how I have designed this. This presentation looks good. I have just used the template which are available in the Canva. This one is the first page. This is the second page. I have combined 4 5 presentation here. Third page, fourth page, fifth, sixth, seventh. You can see the transition in the page, like the increasing graph, the charts, the pie chart. Like for example, if you want to change this page, you can simply go to here. You will get the predefined templates here. Like if I love this page, like for example this pitch test page, and simply click on this. If I love this page or something, like for example, if I love this page, you simply click on the plus icon. Yeah, it had changed. If you want to change this image, simply click here, left click, and then delete it. Or if you want to paste some another image, like for example, if you deleted it, it will get deleted. If you want to paste some another images, your images, simply go to upload, and you can upload files from here. You can choose a file which you want to upload, and after uploading it, like for example, if you want to paste this image, click here, you will get this image. You can edit it. You can edit it from here. If you want to align it to the right, it will align. If you want to align it in the left, you can also rotate it. Like for example, if you want to rotate it, if you want to edit the text, simply click here. You can edit a text, you can resize it, you can even change the font style which you want, which you need. You can use bold, italic, underline, uppercase, lowercase. You can left line. You can also use animation. You can position it. If you want to use animation in the videos, in the PPTs, you can use it from here. So if you want to some design pages, you can also get. For example, if I want to make some video, something like that, I will go to the video section. And from here, for example, if I want to make a video for YouTube, click on the video. And from here, you can take the predefined videos. For example, if I want to introduce some thing like welcome to my channel or something like that, you can simply click on this. This is for premium users. If you want to take it, you can use it for 14 days. After, you will have to upgrade it. But if you want this, you can take something which is not in the premium section. For example, this is not You can take it for free, you can use it for free. For example, if I will use this, you can use this. You can place some text also if you want to add some text here. If you don't want, you can simply delete it. Like for example, if you want to edit text in this, we have to write something else other than welcome. Like for example, if I want to write my name is Harry, and I will write like this. And if I will play a video, I will start like this. Now you can add some other pages, another videos of 5 seconds. You can reduce the size also, means go to the duration. It is for 6 seconds, it is for 5 seconds. If you want to make some note here, something like that, you can also add a note. Or if you want to now edit some another page, like if I want to include this side of counting of 4 3 2 1, you can simply click on this. You can add all this, like for example this, and this will play for 5 seconds. Edit the duration of the, like if I think the 6 seconds is very much, so simply you have to reduce in this. It's of 5 seconds. You have to, if you want to edit the timing, simply click on this and you can edit the timing. You want to edit to 4 pages, 2 pages. If you want to add 2.5 seconds, apply to all pages. The first slide also became for 2.5 seconds, which we were unable to do it from here. So like 2 seconds, you can edit the video. You can upload your video also and you can paste it here. If you want to add some pages, something like that, you can also have paste it here. You can animate, you can even make a video, YouTube video. It's fantastic if you are making a YouTube video from a Canva. If you're making a presentation, something like that, you can even install this in your phone anywhere. So you get number of things, you get predefined things here. You can also use applications to edit videos, something like that. Like for example, you go to the app section. Like for example, if you want to make for photos, you can go to photos section. If you want to make for videos, like for example, if I want to make videos, I will choose the videos app. Hmm. Like this is the for AI avatar. If you want to put some AI avatar, you can use it here. If you want this, imagine. If you want this, if you want magic morph, these are the application which are available online, but you can also use it in the Canva. So if you don't know the what's the purpose of this avatar AI, neuro AI, you can search it on a Google. You will get the information. Like for example, it is used for avatars. By seeing the name I can tell that it is used for avatar. You can use avatar app. You can also use voiceovers and many more apps. Soundro is used for generating a sound, so you can use all that application here. So this is for today. Thank you for watching.